If you are encountering an activation error on Viber, then here are some troubleshooting steps to resolve this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, update your Viber app. Ensure you are using the latest version of the Viber app. Go to the Google Play Store or the App Store on Android or iPhone. Then tap on the search address bar at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then search for the Viber. And if you see update option right next to it, tap on the update and update it. Also, ensure you have a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Also, verify your phone number. Ensure you are entering your phone number in the correct format, including the country code. Double check for any typos or missing digits. Now, if none of these work and the issue persists, simply visit the Viber Help Center or contact their support team. You'll have to fill out this registration form and they will reach out to you as soon as possible. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.